Remember DJI? Founded in a small dorm room of Hong Kong back in 2006, now it has reached to the moon. Literally, it has reached to the moon by acquiring Hasselblad, which delivered the most famous Hasselblad data camera that was attached to Armstrong's chest and used to document the lunar surface of the moon in epoch-making Apollo 11 mission. However, this is the story of 2017, and now there are a lot more things to talk about DJI. Since the launch of Osmo series, the DJI has been carrying the innovation, and it took a huge turn with the introduction of DJI OSMO POCKET, which is the hotcake of the latest camera innovation, and being the first handheld camera from DJI, it has stormed the industry. In November 2018, DJI introduced OSMO POCKET, and with the introduction of Osmo Action on May 2019, we hope the legacy of Osmo POCKET will continue for something big. There is some reasons behind so much talk on the DJI OSMO POCKET. In the past couple of decades, the YouTube happened, and it has taken the modern blogging to a whole new level. DSLRs and other professional cameras were always there for top-grade cinematography, filming movies, taking commercial shots and others. But they're bulky and kind of complicated. Yes, different action cameras popped in, but they're not quite there. They serve different purposes. So between all those bulky cameras and action cams, a gap is always there, and that's where the DJI OSMO POCKET comes in. If you want to prepare contents on the go and don't want to rely on just your smartphone, this tiny, compact device is for you. It's going to give you more than your smartphone gives. Well, it might not deliver you a top-notch video and audio quality like DSLR and other professional cameras, but it is designed with features that enable a blogger to visualize his or her imagination with much more versatile skills which they might lack in hard form. DJI OSMO POCKET has made the vlogging as easy as it can get. You can simply shoot footage in HD or 4K resolution and easily import it to your PC or phone through a USB Type-C cable. Not just the resolutions, you can simply switch between 30 FPS to 60 FPS. It supports night shots, panoramas, time lapses, and motion lapses, but the most amazing centerpiece of this gadget is its 3-axis gimbal. That's going to rescue you from carrying all those heavyweight tripods and also give you more. This gimbal will let the camera track the subject and rotate on action to get more satisfying clicks. All you need is just walking and doing your stuffs and letting the gimbal do the rest. Its compact and features easy mechanism which should be appreciated by travel vloggers. Its long handle allows you to hold it in your hands and have more space for the gimbal to move the camera. You will find a pair of buttons beneath the camera for recording videos and taking photos. Plus, it comes with a 1-inch touchscreen with basic user interface with 4 menus. You can use these menus to change resolutions, modes, and other settings which will add more convenience. For more advanced access, you can attach your smartphone to your DJI OSMO POCKET. It will automatically launch the companion DJI Mimo app, which comes with the DJI OSMO POCKET as soon as you attach the phone to it. Of course, the DJI OSMO POCKET has some drawbacks. You might not like its audio, plus you will have to take the burden of extra accessories if you want to unveil its true potentiality. Compared to GoPro, it's not that rugged, not even waterproof. You cannot even mount it anywhere. So for outdoor shooting, well, you might have to give it a second thought before getting it. Anyways, there is always a room for improvement which DJI should consider before coming with the next model. Rumor says the next model is going to be named as DJI OSMO POCKET 2 or OSMO POCKET Pro. Both the performance and the drawbacks of OSMO POCKET have set a high bar of expectation that are being hoped to meet, especially by the vloggers. For instance, OSMO POCKET comes with USB-C connector and Lightning, but it still lacks something: its built-in Wi-Fi. You can add an extra Wi-Fi module to OSMO POCKET, but that adds an extra cost and complications. So, if next OSMO POCKET comes with built-in Wi-Fi, that would add more seamless connection. Then comes the microphone. Osmo Pocket's internal mic is fine, but still it has got some complaints regarding its performance in complicated sound situations. So we expect it to be better in the upcoming version. Another thing the Osmo Pocket lacks is live streaming. Like other DJI's products, Osmo Pocket doesn't allow you to go live on social medias. If they include it in the next version, that would be pretty cool. Since the Osmo Pocket targets vloggers, it should have been more fit for outdoor shooting. It should have been waterproof or at least splash-proof so that it could escape limitation while shooting underwater or in rain. Plus, you cannot mount it to anywhere, which should be fixed in the next model. Last of all, how about having a Hasselblad camera sensor in next version of Osmo Pocket like they used in their Mavic 2 Pro? Since Hasselblad is now officially part of DJI, would it be too much luxury to fancy for a Hasselblad camera sensor in the upcoming version? Well, let's wait for a while for the new one. We can hope to have the next Osmo Pocket before the end of 2019. Let's see what's new is waiting for us.